Top 5 causes of tooth discoloration. Various factors can cause tooth discoloration, including factors such as smoking to dark-colored beverages and certain medication. So, in this video, we'll talk about the top 5 factors that can lead to tooth discoloration. Alright, so before we move into the video, please subscribe this YouTube channel and click the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Number 1. Tartar. Tooth discoloration can be caused by tartar, which is also known as dental calculus. Tartar is caused by a crusty deposit that can strain on to teeth surface and hence cause discoloration. Prolonged deposit of tartar make it very strong that it can be removed by dental professionals only. When dental plaque is not removed regularly by brushing and flossing, then minerals in saliva mixes with plaque to form crystal that turns into tartar. Number 2. Fluorosis. A small amount of fluoride that is present in water helps to protect teeth, but too much of it can lead to dental fluorosis. Fluorosis is considered a defect of tooth enamel that is caused by large intake of fluoride during the first 8 years of life. The most common causes of fluorosis may be due to factors such as drinking fluoride-containing water, ingesting fluoride toothpaste, using fluoride tablets, and consumption of food that has been processed with fluoride-containing water. Number 3. Medication. Tooth discoloration can also be caused by the use of antibiotics such as tetracycline and doxycycline. The use of these antibiotics can strain the teeth, which can lead to tooth discoloration. These types of discoloration are likely to occur in children whose teeth are still developing. This can also cause in children if the mother takes this medication during pregnancy. Glynis, a medication used for permanent neonatal diabetes mellitus, may also cause brown spots on teeth. Number 4. Poor dental hygiene. Inadequate brushing and flossing to remove plaque and stain-producing substances like coffee and tobacco can cause tooth discoloration. Number 5. Celiac disease. Dental enamel defects, including brown spots on teeth, are sometimes caused by celiac disease. Brown spots on teeth are common among people with this condition, especially children. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.